Okay guys, got this 3-piece long hose grip pliers set. I already did a review on some of these from like Harbor Freight. These are from WORKPRO. This is the only sticker on here. I gotta say, it is nice boxing. Haven't had these open yet, so I don't know. Oh, there they are. Okay, what you get in the box? The box out of the way. Get this card, contact information, their sites, and a little pamphlet of some sort. By the way, their WORKPRO is made by GreatStar Tools, who has a lot of different brands, including shop-vac, which surprised me. Comes with this nice holder. These on here. It's the first one. Nice grip. Grip's made out of TRP, which is thermoplastic rubber. Basically, characteristics of rubber and plastic. Comes in 3 sizes: 5/16, 1/2 inch, and 3/4. And I do believe, how long are these things? From front to back, yeah, 11 inches. Workable space where your handles aren't. Gonna be about 7 inches. But yeah, so go in like this. I would say. And you just roll it up. There you go. Nice little carrying case. Pretty nice. Okay, guys.